Mamdani wins New York mayor election. Trump reacts. Viral moment captures crowd's excitement during victory speech. Farhana Bhatt's team has initiated legal proceedings against Roshan Garibhinder, Amal Malik's aunt, and the Fifafu's YouTube channel over defamatory remarks. Wicketkeeper batter Rishabh Pant is back in India's Test squad for the upcoming South Africa series. After impressing with a match-winning 90 for India A against South Africa A. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh criticizes Rahul Gandhi for remarks on the army, accusing him of trying to politicize and create anarchy. The Corporate Affairs Ministry has launched a probe into Anil Ambani's Reliance Group, adding to ongoing scrutiny by ED, CBI and SEBI. Former captain Steve Waugh questions whether selectors have the courage to make tough calls, citing concerns over George Bailey's leadership. The International Space Station will soon be retired, with NASA planning its eventual decommission, a collaborative project among global space agencies. NASA is leading the transition. The NISAR satellite, a joint mission between NASA and ISRO, is set to be declared operational on November 7. According to ISRO chairman V. Estranged brothers Tejashwi and Tej Pratap Yadav had an unexpected airport encounter before Bihar's assembly elections. Netizens reacted with, "Brother is still a brother," after the awkward meeting. A 17-year-old student in Gurgaon was shot by a man who had stalked her for months, leaving her with serious injuries and trauma. She is preparing for engineering entrance exams. Rajnath Singh claims the NDA will form government with a 2/3 majority in Bihar assembly polls, amidst BJP dismissing Rahul Gandhi's allegations of vote theft in Haryana. Bihar's estranged brothers Tej Pratap and Tejashwi have crossed paths amidst the state poll season, further straining their already tense relationship. A Congress leader has attributed the party's loss in Haryana elections to internal sabotage. Days before Rahul Gandhi's much-awaited speech, women workers at Tata Electronics hostel in Hosur staged a protest after finding a camera in a bathroom, sparking outrage. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh criticizes Rahul Gandhi's remarks on army and caste, urging not to politicize the armed forces ahead of Bihar polls. The Financial Action Task Force commends India for its well-coordinated and technology-driven asset recovery mechanism, citing it as a model for global collaboration. The TV5 Telugu news channel CEO is accused of extortion, blackmail, and illegal phone tapping following a complaint by Telugu film actor Kakani Dharma Satya Sai Srini. Tata Motors has teased the upcoming Sierra SUV with a bold new red exterior color and a triple-screen dashboard setup inside the cabin, ahead of its November launch. Suzlon Energy's Q2 results show a six-fold jump in PAT to 1,279 crore rupees. Nuvama maintains hold on the share price target. Rakshit Hargave resigns as Grasim Industries Paints CEO, just 18 months after Birla Opus launch. Amid no growth in the product, Paytm is treating artificial intelligence (AI) as a core business vertical, not just for efficiency, but to drive revenue and growth. Gold price surges on risk-off markets as traders seek safe assets following a global equity sell-off, reaching $3.970 from Tuesday's lows of $3.930. Toyota plans to launch 15 new cars, including new models and updates, in the Indian market. Pine Labs CEO Amrish Rau disputes claims that his company focuses solely on point-of-sale transactions, saying there's more to the business. M3M India to invest 7,200 crore rupees for a 150-acre Gurgaon International City in Gurugram with data centers and EV hubs. India is transforming into a global manufacturing hub, attracting high-value production and research from companies like Ford and HP due to its skilled workforce and policy incentives. A doctor recommends foods to heal, protect, and detoxify the liver naturally, highlighting its critical role in removing toxins from the blood. A neurologist warns that giving in to a common bedtime habit may increase dementia risk, advising against it and urging people to take note. Lucid dreaming is the ability to control and create dreams while sleeping, often resulting in positive outcomes when waking up. People who experience lucid dreaming are aware they're dreaming and can influence their subconscious thoughts. Doctors explain that tiny specks in vision are called eye floaters, usually harmless but revealing of underlying conditions inside the eyes. A cardiothoracic surgeon shares 5 daily habits: exercise, balanced diet, adequate rest, strong relationships, and heat therapy that improve heart health and contribute to a longer life. A nutritionist shares tips on eating right for weight goals while workouts are important. A balanced diet is key to successful weight management. A 52-year-old man in Perambalur, India, was arrested for running an unauthorized clinic from his residence, treating patients without proper medical licenses. Prolonged sitting can lead to poor posture, tight hips, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating simple exercises like NEAT activities can help. Harvard experts suggest simple habits can add a decade to one's life. Identifying 9 key habits for longevity. A massive explosion was recorded on the Moon's surface from Earth, raising concerns about meteor impacts amid plans for longer human missions and base construction. 8 solar flare erupted from sunspot AR 4274, the first of its intensity since June, causing a strong radio burst on November 4. Scientists await first images from NASA ISRO radar, set to capture Indian forest and mountain changes. A rare beaver supermoon, 14% larger and 30% brighter, is set to illuminate the night sky during Odisha's Kartik Purnima celebrations. Banker turned filmmaker O. Srivastav shares his passion for filmmaking in The Dirty Sky, a documentary inspired by Indian filmmakers like Mrinal Sen and Satyajit Ray. NASA is launching the Escapade mission to explore Mars aboard Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket on November 9, 2025. With twin spacecraft, Vijay Sales offers a massive discount on the new MacBook Air M4 launched earlier this year with Apple's M4 chip. It's now more affordable than ever. Motorola has launched the Moto G67 Power in India with a 50MP Sony camera, 7000 mAh battery, and Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor for under hours. Motorola has launched Moto G 2026 and Moto G Play 2026 in North America, featuring a Dimensity chipset and microSD card slot, among other unique features. Daily challenge to guess 4 5-letter words with 9 attempts. A more complicated version of Wordle combining vocabulary, logic, and pattern recognition. OpenAI's AI-powered video creation app Sora is now available for Android users in global regions like the US, Japan. Following its successful iOS debut, Motorola's new Moto G and Moto G Play come with AI-powered features, featuring 60 to 120 Hz displays and 5G support in select areas. Meta releases WhatsApp app for Apple Watch, allowing users to access messaging platform directly on their smartwatch. OnePlus 13 and 13's owners in India can now install the Oxygen OS 16 update, which was recently introduced by OnePlus. Producer Allu Aravind says critics will struggle to give low ratings for his upcoming film, Hey Girlfriend, starring Rashmika Mandanna. BTS members Jimin and Jungkook return with Season 2 of reality series Are You Sure? premiering on Disney Plus deck. Plans to introduce IMAX in Hyderabad have stalled. Despite rapid city growth, initial efforts were made by producer Asian Sunil Narayan. The Taj Stories box office collection improved significantly, surpassing its opening day and recovering 34% of its reported budget. Now, the first single from Ram Charan's Paddi has landed, with A.R. Rahman's catchy tune lighting up the internet and electrifying fans. Indian cricket star Smriti Mandhana and music composer Palash Muchal have captured hearts with their secret romance, now revealed as they pose together after winning the ICC Women's World Cup. Pakistan has denied claims by US President Donald Trump that it's conducting secret nuclear tests, sparking speculation and wild predictions on social media. US politician Zoran Mamdani quotes India's first PM Jawaharlal Nehru in his New York win, referencing Nehru's historic 1947 midnight speech. Indian-American Republican Vivek Ramaswamy conceded losses in US local polls, describing the Democratic wins as ****s handed to us in New York, Virginia, and New Jersey. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum was groped and nearly kissed by a man during a public event in Mexico City, sparking concern over slow security response. New Zealand face West Indies in the second T20I at Eden Park in Auckland, with visitors leading 1-0 after first match's impressive bowling display from Black Caps. The Afghanistan Cricket Board is hiring a new head coach, requiring sense of humor, MS Office skills, and other key competencies amidst current coaches' frustration over lack of input in squad selection. Chelsea fans voted on their preferred lineup against Qarabağ, with Mark Guehi dominating the outcome and Liam Delap's suspension being a notable absence from a voting form. Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli will not play in a 3-match white ball series against South Africa, A's touring side, due to their unavailability. Arsenal's Max Baumann, a 15-year-old, made history against Slavia Praha with an impressive performance as the Gunners won 3-0 in a Champions League. Former South African bowler Morkel praises Indian pacer Arshdeep Singh for his experience, especially in trying different combinations. Kranti God rose from a struggling family in Chhatarpur to become a world champion, earning the title, Daughter of the Nation, for her incredible achievement.